On our way to visit their 5 famous temples in Bangkok.
Siyempre, hindi tayo nakaganyan. Meron tayong pang-patong dyan. Morning. Lalakad na naman kami ni Daddy. Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Ayutthaya Temple.
Ayutthaya Temple. Another 50 baht yun, no?
It's 1 hour and 20 minutes from here by train.
So, another 50 baht. 50
No,
baht?
how much?
O 30. Baka 30. Parang gano'n. Ginit. Ay, ginit. Magang-umaga na ginit na kaagad. So, last day. Last day namin ni Daddy here. So, babalik ulit kami dito, pero doon na kami sa mismo airport. Kasi ang ano namin ay, entrance namin ay sa Bangkok at ang exit din namin ay sa Bangkok din. Going to Dubai. Init, grabe.
We stopped in this place to have our
one you want to
brunch
order?
before we go.
Teka po sa pansit. Baga naman.
Which one? Rice, one rice? Yeah. This one. It's not 45, right? That one. Plus. No, the other one. What is that? This one. Omelette only? Vegetable. All vegetable. All vegetable. This one. The egg. Sorry, Sorry. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, here's Daddy.
The food was very tasty and spicy.
Ay, pinigyan kita ng kutsara Wala pa ba? Uubo ko sa sobrang anghang. Brunch na namin ni Daddy yan. So, 45. Tapos magkano tong ano mo? 50. So, magkano yun? 90, 140. 140 baht. No? Nasa 14 dirhams. Diba? Ang anghang? Sobra.
Pero pwede ba?
We grabbed some bubble tea to cool down our body because it was too hot.
Thank you.
100 baht for the two. O, diba? Magkano na yan sa atin? So, parang 10 dirhams. For both of us. 200 ang sinisingil ng taxi.
We checked the public taxi how much they will charge going to the local train station. They asking for 200 to 250 BHT. So we decided to take a Grab instead.
So 300 baht, ayaw. Instead 200 baht, ayaw ni Dad.
Mag-grab na lang tayo. Mura sa grab.
Mag-grab na lang tayo nga.
Sa grab, 180 lang.
Ay di mag-grab na lang tayo. So, yan. Better na mag-grab taxi na lang kayo kaysa magkuha kayo ng taxi dito. Kaya mahal ang singil nila.
We booked a
Grab
Grab
na lang si
going
Daddy.
to the local train station.
Medyo mas mura ng konti. Hi. Hi.
$40 a day. Hello, how are you?
Nakababa na kami ng Grab. So much better talaga kumuha ka ng Grab kaysa kumuha ka ng taxi. Kasi at least sa Grab, fix na kagad yung kanilang presyo. So yan. Ito yung parang pinaka big train nila.
Yeah, Bangkok. 12:55. Okay, so 1 hour.
And 12:55 you arriving Ayutthaya
Yeah, 2:30.
2:30. By train 2 hours.
2 hours? No, there's another one. This is the ordinary, right?
This one ordinary.
There is one more.
One more no have.
No have?
From here only.
Only morning.
Yeah, only this one. Yeah, คือ ordinary train only.
Oh,
Yeah, 2
no
hours.
special train. No special
No
train.
special train and no air conditioning.
No air
No
conditioning?
air conditioning.
No have.
No have?
Yes, and you return Ayutthaya 6:47. You arrive Bangkok 8:35.
So this is last
Last trip.
Only one.
Last
Only
trip
one.
going back here.
Yes,
Oh, you take a picture of that, Daddy.
I show.
Yeah, just write it down. Okay.
No air conditioning.
All
Ito,
train? No
all trains? No air
Train,
condition?
No air conditioning.
Oh. Bangkok Railway Station. So, ito yung parang pinaka ano nila, malaking train nila na papunta sa mga probinsya. 2 hours yung biyahe.
Arriving Ayutthaya.
Hmm.
This one only local train.
Local
Ordinary
train.
Yeah.
Ordinary train.
And you come back
Ayutthaya to Bangkok.
Ayutthaya 6:47.
So by 6 o'clock we should be there,
Yeah,
right?
you are arriving Ayutthaya station about 6 o'clock for check-in.
Check in. Okay.
8:35 you arriving Bangkok again. You have time visit Ayutthaya 2:30 if the train not delay because you don't know delay or not me and you too.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes
So there's a
20,
delays. Okay.
2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. Any tempo open. 8 o'clock and 5:30.
That's
Everything. they
everything.
close.
Okay.
You arriving 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30.
Yeah, 3 hours.
You visit Ayutthaya 3 hours. I show you 3 hours. I recommend you see only 4 temple because so many temple cannot.
Okay.
The
So,
best one I show you now. This one the train arriving Ayutthaya. Wat Mahathat I recommend. Sleeping Buddha. Wat พระศรีสันเพชร วัดชัยวัฒนาราม and วัดใหญ่ so beautiful because Ayutthaya beautiful about 7-8 temple but you have time
Wow.
only 3 hours you understand
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
arriving you arriving Ayutthaya about 2:30 you arriving Ayutthaya 2:30 3 hours I recommend you take a taxi or tuk-tuk sightseeing
How much
Visit
is
the-
it?
1 hour around 400 baht
400?
about 1 hour
for 1 hour.
1 hour.
Wow.
Yeah, 1 hour they charge. This one 1 hour. If you want 2 hour, if you want 3 hour, because you have time only 3 hour. You see 3 hour about 1,002. Where you come
We're Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes.
Very hot, right?
Very hot, yeah, but it's
How
not right
about-
now. Right,
how
right
about-
now, no, it's not hot. That's okay.
It's okay.
Everything is okay.
Yeah, because you've been there before yesterday about the floating market Saturday and Sunday. Yesterday,
Oh,
because outside Bangkok, same Ayutthaya, 1 hour they have like a floating market.
now there's no floating. No, there's no floating market now. So we miss it.
No, this one.
So today, no floating market. Today they
every
have.
day, this one.
Okay. Ah, okay.
This one, the
Yeah.
floating market and train market.
Oh wow, train
Very
market.
nice, very nice. Floating market, they have like an animal, elephant, snake, lady, long neck, tiger, white tiger, black tiger. You know
What is that?
one?
Animals?
Animal ก็คือ tiger,
Really?
tiger ชุดกัน and a monkey, lady, long neck, elephant.
Oh,
This one.
really?
Yeah.
Wow. So if there's an entrance?
So last trip is
Yeah.
6:47.
If I can recommend you like this, if you take the train, you waiting here 1 hour,
Yeah.
and by train 2 hour again to Ayutthaya, you arriving 2:30. If I can recommend, I recommend you if you want see Ayutthaya anything, and in the evening back to your hotel, I recommend you take 1 day taxi from here to Ayutthaya by taxi only 50 minutes with air conditioning.
Oh.
You
But how
understand?
much?
I show you. I sample นะ you see 1 day.
No, not 1 day, half day only. Because it's 12, no?
Yeah, I show you. You start right now 12 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
50 minutes you arriving 12
Instead of 2 hours, yeah?
50 minutes from
Mhm.
Bangkok to Ayutthaya,
Mm-hmm.
and you arriving around 12
Before
5, 1 2 3 4 5 you have
have
time
like 4 hours.
hour and half.
And a half.
The driver he stop waiting you like this.
How much are they charging?
Yeah, I show you. The driver he waiting any tempo because you have time 4 hour and half.
Ah, okay.
And then 5:30 the tempo they close. He bring you back to the hotel where you stay in Bangkok. Sorry,
Yeah, here in Satong.
Sathorn. You arrive Sathorn. Your hotel around 6:30.
6:30.
Yeah.
But how much
This
is it?
one day, a half day. You half day.
Half
this one
day.
for 2 people.
Half day for 2 people.
400 This one everything Bangkok
1,000
Ayutthaya sightseeing Ayutthaya back to the hotel
Yeah.
50 minutes go and 50 minutes back.
Yeah.
Better than if you take the train local train
Not possible, 1,500?
Not possible, right? Because 1,100 baht one way not possible. One way taxi from here to Ayutthaya 1,300 baht. Highway 200 baht. 1,500 baht.
Okay, ano yun? Sinakatanan namin.
Ay, nabuta pala. Hindi ba pala? Ano lang doon? Okay.
Because the train, the local train, no air condition, right? Sometimes standing. By train, not much.
200 dirham.
Mura pa rin sila, no?
Kasi ka nahihirapan. It's 2,200?
Daddy need to decide. So, parang sinasuggest
It's
ni ate.
This one include highway, include gasoline, and he waiting you anywhere.
How about entrance? How much entrance?
20 baht,
20 baht each?
30 baht each?
20 baht, free.
Free.
Okay, write the entrance fee.
50.
50. Okay.
The driver, he stop Wat Yai. I want to looking 30 minutes, please. The driver waiting for you, and then you pay ticket by yourself.
Yeah.
But if you stay outside, take a look, take a photo. No
Don't need.
entrance.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Outside. No,
Outside,
no need to pay. If
Yeah.
you go inside, buy ticket. Okay.
Yeah. And then you can tell the driver how long you want stop, how long you want visit. The driver he waiting for you, and then in the evening he send you directly your hotel.
Yeah, okay. So
2,200.
so instead of taking the train without the air condition,
The train no
And-
air conditioning.
and there's no assurance if you will get a chance to sit down for the 2 hour trip. So Ate is suggesting this one to have a personal taxi driver.
Because if you go by train, right? If by train late a little bit about 3 o'clock you
Yeah.
arrive,
Yeah.
you have time 2 hours. 2 hours, I not recommend you go, right? Because you cannot
But
see anything.
usually, how much the train from here to Ayutthaya?
By train standing.
15?
15. It's very cheap.
Very cheap.
It's very, very cheap.
Very cheap because why the train is cheaper?
Because
2
there's
hours
no
and stand.
AC.
No aircon, right? Very so hot.
Stand.
Standing too.
Standing
God.
too.
Because ordinary train. And then in the afternoon
30 degrees.
in Ayutthaya.
Don't you worry, in Dubai, you know how much? 50 degrees.
Oh,
Very, very hot. Yes.
50.
That 38 degrees.
really so hot.
Very hot. Very hot. But you don't go in the
Ano?
afternoon.
Dito naman.
It's up to you, Daddy. What do you think?
Ano gusto mo ba?
Eh, ikaw.
Na-sales stock ka yan.
No, it's up to you.
So how much the last price?
This
Kasi si
one-
Daddy yung
this
lagi
one
naiinitan. Laging hapong-hapo sa sobrang init. So, siya magde-decide.
What kind of car is that?
Yeah, I just show you see the taxi
Yeah,
and
yeah.
he's speaking English.
Okay, so where's the
driver
taxi?
speak English also?
Yes, sure, right?
So where's the taxi? So meron na rin diyang cat si ate. For sure. So, kasi recommended niya. Pero, ikaw mag-decide, mahal.
Tupo rin eh. Ginawa ko tupo.
Oh, so parang nasa 200, no? 250. 230. 200 dirhams. Ayan, 200 dirhams.
ganyan.
Ayan, 210 dirhams. So, yeah. So, mura pa rin. Kaya sabihin mo ng ano. Compare sa Dubai. So, medyo mura pa rin siya.
So how many temples do you visit?
4.5 hours.
No, temple. How many temples?
This one temple, 2 temple, 3 temple, 4 temple, 5 temple, 6 temple, right?
6
4 hours
temples.
and half.
Can I take a picture of that?
So,
This is taxi?
this is the taxi. Check.
Bangkok go to Ayutthaya, visit Ayutthaya temple and back to the hotel. You pay the driver only 2,200 baht. Go and back. He's speaking English for you.
speak English.
Hi.
Okay, yeah,
You
you can pay now for me the 2,200 baht.
Yeah, ใช่ค่ะ
Yeah, you pay now.
Right now I recommend เฮียจะให้เขาจ่ายสัก1,500
จะได้ยังไง
ค่ะ You pay the driver 1,500 baht and finish at the end you pay again.
Okay. So, ayaw ni Gabi na mag-metro. Mag-train.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you so much. So, taxi na lang kami.
Taxi na lang.
Ayaw dati mainit.
Oh, wala nga. How much?
Samantala ako mag-metro kami. 15 baht lang siya.
Mura lang.
Mura lang, sobrang mura.
But
Kaya lang.
2 hours drive. 2
2
hours
hours.
travel.
Oo, uncomfortable siya. So, pagka nag-taxi ka, papunta sa mga temples, talagang much better na.
You pay now for me 1,500 baht first. After that already, you see back to the Bangkok, you pay more than 700.
Okay, yes.
Here we go. 1,500.
Yes, I want money highway and gasoline.
It's okay. No problem. We're good people, don't you worry.
So you tour us, huh? You tour us in nice temples, beautiful temples.
Yeah, I tell you to
Kasi
everything.
yeah.
Everything, Ayutthaya.
So until what time we will there stay? What time we will leave Ayutthaya?
Maybe Ayutthaya.
6 o'clock?
I think so. The temple, maybe.
Temple start at 5:30, yeah?
Ticket,
Close.
Yeah, the ticket maybe the 5 p.m. After that, already the back to the Bangkok on a highway.
Okay. So, so cute also. Parang expressway nila. Si Daddy. Takot sa init. Kahit galing sa mainit na country, takot pa rin siya sa init.
Nakakapagod ang infield. Nakakapanghina.
Nakakapanghina kasi ang init. Yeah. Si Daddy decided na lang ng hire na lang naman. Private taxi. Bali, drop off lang kami ni Kuya sa mga temple. Drop off and pick up. Monday na lang nila kami. Kailan ka? Kung anong oras kayo matapos bawat temple. So, which is okay. Kesa gumamit doon sa public train nila na nagbibenta, pero walang easy at saka 2 hours kang nandun sa loob. Hindi mo sure kung ano mo upuan. Pwede kang standing for 2 hours. They also have some beautiful houses there on the side. So, ang party nila is also same like us. Merong cash, merong electronic na nakapark. So, magpapagas muna si Mr. Ang. Ayan. So, doon sa 2,200 baht, nabayad namin sa kanya. Kasama na doon yung toll gate, kasama na doon yung pagas niya. Back and forth na yun. So, nag-start kami ng around 12:06. So, for half day tour lang siya. So, kung gusto mo ng whole day tour, starting in the morning, babayad ka ng mga nasa around 4,400 baht. So, yan. Nandyan yung mga university.
Hospital, university.
Oo, andito na lahat. Halos magkakalapit lang siya. So, ayan. Asian Institute of Technology. Tamsa University. See? So, ano to? Expressway? Daddy?
National Road.
Yeah. National Road. Ito yung National Road nila. So, mahilig sila sa mga durian din. No? Tsaka mangga.
National, is that your national fruit?
Thai market. It's the wholesale market.
Mar-
And many the fruit.
Lots of fruits, ha?
Durian,
Durian.
mango steam, and rambutan.
Yeah.
What's the national fruit here?
The fruit.
Durian?
Durian here.
Yeah, national fruit, yeah?
You like durian?
of Appeal Region 1.
You like eating durian?
Yeah, we eat those.
Kaya?
Durian candy,
Yeah.
durian fruit.
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah.
Only the smell, no? Only the smell.
Yeah, little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But other people, they don't like the smell of durian. Mahilig sila sa flyover. Diba? Ayan. Oh. Dami nilang flyover. Ito pa, flyover. No traffic, no? No traffic. Relax lang.
Nasa train ka, init.
Alay kahapon. Para siyang si Marco pagka naman naiinis. Kasi sobrang init. Nagmamaktod na. Utaya Stadium. So this is still the stadium. Utaya. Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya. So yeah. Kasi wala siyang Tapos na yung Japanese village.
First time nagkaroon ng stoplight.
Ayutthaya Hospital. Yan yung mga traditional clothes nila. Yan yun. Ayan, there's some stoplight. So sa stoplight, there's no timer. Provincial.
You can upstay on the temple, have the Buddha inside.
How much entrance here?
Yeah, this temple ticket 20 baht.
20 baht.
Yes.
Okay. So we're here now in the first temple.
Yeah, the first temple.
Sleeping Buddha, right?
Yeah, they show you. Yeah.
Yeah, over there.
We started our journey
So the
at 12
entrance fee
p.m.
here is
and
20 baht.
Mr. Chung
Yes.
charged
Yes,
us for
Mr. Ang?
$35 for
20
the half-day trip.
20 baht?
We visited 5
20
temples
baht.
and reached our place around 7 p.m. It was worth it.
So, Mr.
Instead
Ang,
of
were you
taking
gonna
there,
wait for us?
local
Yeah,
train
yeah,
that
yeah.
doesn't have
You
any
wait
AC
here.
and
Okay.
hours of travel.
Everything here, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
How long?
For how long, Mr. Ang? You...
I think so. Yeah, you see the sleeping Buddha.
Yeah, the sleeping Buddha
I
is
think
there.
so. 30 minutes.